Hello, how are you doing today? My name is Reginald McDowell. I want to first wish you a happy holiday. I know the holiday season is up on everybody this time of the year, but I want to speak to the entrepreneurs in this webinar. I want to speak to the entrepreneurs because that old saying says that if you continue to do what you always done, you always get the same results. I just believe that God is going to allow me to change somebody's life this year. My name is Reginald McDowell. I'm the recruiting manager of a senior life insurance company. I'm in the insurance industry. I want to speak to the ones that have a desire to make $100,000 or more a year. Now, I will work with individuals that want to make $50,000, but my goal is to get you up to $100,000. I've been challenged with a task of putting together a team that can gross $1 million a year. Are you going to be part of that team? If you choose to be part of that team, I want to tell you what I'm going to do for you. First of all, if you go all the way through to the end of the webinar, I have a couple of gifts that I'm going to give you. First of all, I'm going to give you a gift. This is 3 nights luxury vacation accommodation. The only way you receive this, you got to go all the way through the webinar. And if some of you all may not want the vacation, then I do have a discount that you can go to different restaurants and stuff like that. I'll give that to you if you hang in to the end, because when you start this webinar, it's going to ask you to put in your email address and your phone number, something like that. Put in the correct one, because that's the only way I can get this to you. I can either give it to you physically or I can email it to you. So please give me a correct email address. This webinar will teach you several things. It will teach you the system that we have that you can gross $100,000 to $250,000 a year income, no problem. Now, this is not just for individuals that are licensed insurance agents, because you don't even have to have no license, and I will work with you and help you get your license, and you'll be selling within 2 weeks period of time. Sometimes a week, depends on how hungry you are, because if you're hungry for the income that is about to come your way, look at this webinar all the way to the end. And when you get to the end, there'll be a call to action. Take that action, because it may not even be for you. You know, everybody don't have a desire to make a bunch of money. The insurance industry has been great for me and my family. I mean, I live a lifestyle now that is second to none, and it's because of the insurance industry. I'm going to go ahead and take you into the webinar. Look at the webinar, take you some notes, because we may get on the phone and talk, and you may have some other questions for me. If you do, that's great. And then I will answer all the questions that I can answer, and we'll take the next step. Looking forward to work with you. Are you going to be part of this $1 million team that I've been tasked to put together?
I would like to introduce you to one of the most exciting and proven opportunities I've ever seen in final expense. Now, a little bit of history about our company. It was founded in 1970, purchased by 2 final expense agents, Ron and Dale Powell, in 2000, originally licensed in 6 states, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, South Carolina, and Tennessee. Currently, we're licensed in over 40 states and the District of Columbia. And we're on pace to be nationwide in the near future. So, why are you here? Well, you're either not making enough income you want or deserve, or you're not happy with your current job or opportunity. Well, there's 3 questions you should have. Number 1, how much money can I make? Number 2, who do I sell to? And number 3, how do I do it? Let's start with how much can I make? Let's start with an entry-level agent. Let's say that agent averaged $3,000 weekly for a year at a 40% commission level. ELP, It's an earned lead program. What that means is the agent is earning leads instead of paying for them out of their pocket. On a 40% at $3,000 average per week, that agent will make $1,200 weekly, earned pay. Now, his advance income would be 75%, so his take-home pay every week would be around $900. Plus, he'll earn an additional $600 in lead credits. That's the ELP program. He's earning credits to pay for leads. Or she. That's $46,800 per year in advanced income. Let's take an associate team leader. This is an entry-level manager, basically. Personal income at 55% on the ELP. Let's say he's averaging $10,000 per month in issued premium. That's approximately 16 sales at 55% ELP. And his group is doing $100,000 per month issued premium, approximately 160 sales. Plus, he'll be getting a 15% override. On his first year commission projections, personal production, again, $10,000 in annual premium per month at 55% ELP commission. He'll earn approximately $5,500 monthly. Now, take 65% of that, that's the advance, per month would be $3,575. Take that times 12, that's $42,900 per year in advances. Group production, say he has 10 agents, all of them averaging $10,000 per month at 15% override commission at $15,000. 65% advance of that is $9,750 per month in overrides. Now, again, times 12, that's $117,000 per year advance in overrides, which is a total of $159,900 per year in income. Now, again, take in consideration, this is just the advance income. There's more income coming in your pay through. Now, fifth year commission projections for that managing agent. Let's say he's still doing $159,000 every year for 5 years. He's also earned $84,626 in renewals. And renewals are his. Doesn't matter if they quit, become ill, you're vested day one with us. So as long as the clients keep paying, you'll continue to earn those renewals. Now, fifth year with the renewals, the agent should be earning $244,526. Not bad. Now, let's go to your 10th year commission projections for that managing agent. Same average, $159,900 per year with this group. $130,984 in renewals. And again, those renewals are yours. You're vested day one. Now, that's a total of $290,884 per year. Now, I'm going to use some income projections for a senior team director. A senior team director is somebody that's averaging $10,000 a month, at just like we used before, approximately 16 sales on a 65% ELP. And his group is doing $250,000 per month. So let's just say 25 agents doing the same thing he's doing, $10,000 per month. It's approximately 417 sales. First year commission projections. Personal production, again, $10,000 a month. 65% is $6,500. You get 65% of that advance to you. That's $4,225 per month. On a 12-month period, that's $50,700. Take his group, doing the $250,000 at a 20% override commission, which is $50,000 per month in income. That's 65% of that upfront advance money, $32,500. Again, take it by 12 over a 1-year period, $390,000 in overrides from your group. That is a total of $440,700. Folks, we have many managing agents, RVPs, and RDs doing these kind of numbers. Now let's look at the 5th year commission projections. $440,700 per year, 5th year, plus renewals of $413,900. Really adds up with a group like that. That's a total of $854,610 yearly income, guys. Now, 10th year commission projections. $440,700 each year, 10th year, plus $622,026 in renewals. Folks, that's over $1 million a year. How many of you guys out there have the opportunity to be able to make $1 million a year with any other company out there? We do it. We have many folks doing it. And again, those renewals are yours. They're yours. 100% vested. And the choice is yours. You can be a field agent, sit with your client at the kitchen table, or do 100% by phone. We have a complete final expense portfolio. We have products and final expense from $1,000 to $30,000 coverage. Ages 0 to 85 qualify. We have an easy issue product for folks that aren't in such good health. And we also have a preferred product, a super preferred product, for folks that are in great health. We have an easy online e-application. There's no MIBs or script checks, no third-party underwriting. You, the agent, are the underwriter. Who do I sell it to? Well, we've got a program that's going to blow your mind. Our leads call you. Senior Life Insurance has the hottest leads known to man. As an agent with Senior Life, you will not go without at least 20 new leads per week. Guys, these are exclusive leads, no recycled leads. If you want more, you can get more. We've had agents get up to 200 in 1 week. We have live transfers, television commercials, yellow page leads, and we have direct mail leads. We even own our own printing presses. What that means is you can track the lead from the time it leaves our printing house to the post office till it gets to the client's house back to the company. You can do this all live from your computer.
Do you know the average cost of a funeral is over $7,500? Are you or your loved ones prepared for this financial burden? If you're age 85 or younger, the Senior Care Plan from Senior Life Insurance Company can ease that burden by paying up to $30,000 for funeral and any other final expenses. There is no medical exam, and you'll have lifetime coverage. Your rates will never increase, your benefits will never decrease, and your plan cannot be canceled by Senior Life. To receive free information about the Senior Care Plan and to lock in your lowest rate possible, call the number on your screen now. Also, receive information about a free prescription discount card by calling now. Don't leave your loved ones paying your debt. Call 1-877-896-4186 now. You have no obligation. Operators are standing by. Call now.
Would you buy life insurance if you knew you would get back all the money you paid for it? With Return of Premium Life Insurance from Senior Life, you receive back 100% of all premiums at the end of the term period. That's right, you get back all the money you paid. Return of Premium Life Insurance offers protection if you need it and 100% cash back if you don't. Return of Premium Life Insurance has 4 guarantees. Protection of up to $50,000. Your premiums can never go up. A guaranteed cash value. 100% cash back of all premiums at the end of the term, tax-free. Other companies talk about saving you money, but with Return of Premium Life Insurance from Senior Life, you receive all your money back. To get a free rate quote, visit zerocostinsurance.com or call 1-888-705-1064 now. You have no obligation. Go to zerocostinsurance.com for a free rate quote or call the number on the screen now.
Folks, this is where it gets exciting. We have live transfers. What that means is when they call those commercials you just watched, it rings right into the agent's computer. If you're at home, in your home office, it'll ring right to you. If you're in a call center, it'll ring right to you. An operator will ask who they're speaking with. You'll let them know. They'll let you know that they're going to patch that call into you, and you'll be able to talk to that client directly. It doesn't get any better than that. Now, to participate in this program, you must only be appointed with Senior Life Insurance Company. Plus, you must maintain an average of $10,000 AP per month in issued premium to continue that program. We have two opportunities with Senior Life. First one, a broker. And as a broker, you'll have access to our exclusive lead program, all our products for your portfolio, and second to none team support. But as a career agent, you'll have access to our live transfers, guaranteed flow of leads, all of our products, bi-weekly webinars, and second to none support team. Now, you can kind of look at it as a general practitioner. That's a broker. And we've figured out that, hey, if you specialize in something, kind of like a heart surgeon, you'll make more money. And that's what we do. We specialize in final expense. Now, as you know, persistency is the key. Persistency is how you get those renewals. As long as that client is continuing to pay for that policy, you're going to continue to earn a little piece of it. Now, what we've done with Legacy Assurance, it allows you to help that client pick out all their information that they want, the funeral, the music, and put it in an archive. So when that time comes and they pass away, their family can call us, and we will help negotiate with the funeral home. We will help with the products, and we'll take that emotional burden off the family. And let me tell you, that is the key to persistency, because now it becomes a tangible item, not just a piece of paper that the client is paying for each month. Senior Life also has some perks and incentives. We have a full health benefits package for you and your family if you qualify. We also have annual incentive trips around the world. We have a Rolex Club. If you write $200,000 in annual production, individual, issued business, they will award you a Rolex. There's about 27 members in this club. So with 27 members, you can see it's very attainable to do $200,000 in annual premium with our company. We have push weeks where we give out bonuses and gas cards and other little computers and things like that. We also have Top Producer of the Month awards. Now, the number one factor is you. You have to take control of your business. This is your business, and you have to treat it like your business. There are a few characteristics you need to be successful. You have to be honest, and you have to have integrity. We want you to be honest with your clients, and we want you to be honest with the company. You have to be coachable. We have a track record of success. So if you're willing to listen to the folks who've made those kind of numbers that you saw earlier, you have to be coachable. And you have to have a strong work ethic. It doesn't just get handed to you. You have to work for it. You have to earn it. And you have to have a winning attitude and a desire to succeed. A winning attitude and a desire within your heart to be successful. If you have these 5 traits, you'll be making those kind of numbers.
Dismissed from drama school with a note that read, "Wasting her time. She's too shy to put her best foot forward." Turned down by the Decca Recording Company, who said, "We don't like their sound, and guitar music is on the way out." A failed soldier, farmer, and real estate agent. At 38 years old, he went to work for his father as a handyman. Cut from the high school basketball team, he went home, locked himself in his room, and cried. A teacher told him he was too stupid to learn anything, and he should go into a field where he might succeed by virtue of his pleasant personality. Fired from a newspaper because he lacked imagination and had no original ideas. His fiancée died, he failed in business twice, he had a nervous breakdown, and he was defeated in 8 elections. If you've never failed, you've never lived.
I'm back. Great webinar, wasn't it? A lot of information, and I know it's a lot of information to really digest at the moment, but if I caught your attention in any kind of way, go ahead and take the next action, and it'll take you to a website that you can put your information and stuff in, and we can start the ball rolling for the 100 or 200 $300,000 a year income. I mean, it's easy. We got a system. Anybody can work this system. All you have to do is be plugged in. Once I plug you into it, you're going to be surprised how easy it is to make money. Everybody needs insurance. Everybody. And I tell you, I've had some experiences that people have come to me and thanked me for being there and supplying the proper amount of insurance that they need. Because a lot of times we don't think about what we're going to need at the end of our life. Look here. Go ahead and take that action. Do what you need to do. Get on the team, and let's get paid. God bless you. God keep you.